Hello friends, today we are seeing adaptation in animals by class 4th. In last video I discussed about the territorial animals which are living in the desert and which are living in the cold region. In this video I am discussing about the another types of animals which are living in water. They are called aquatic animals. Aquatic animals are the animals which live in the water. In last class we see the territorial animal which will be live on land. In this we are seeing it which live in the water. Okay, these animals will be live in the water. Examples: fish, prawns, crabs, tortoise, and many more are there which will be live in the water. Most aquatic animals have a streamlined body. The body will be streamlined and fins. In their body they have the fins which will be help them to swim. For example, if fish is there, fish is having like streamlined body. Okay, which will be big to small. This is called streamlined body. And they have the fins. This is called fins, which will be help them to swim easily in the water. Ducks have the waddy feet. Waddy feet means like this feet. Okay, that also help them to be live in the water. This is called the waddy feet. Most aquatic animals breathe through gills. How they will be take the oxygen in there? Because they are living in the water, so they can't breathe with the lungs. They will be breathe only with the gills. Okay, aquatic animals will be breathe with the gills. Now you can see here pictures of aquatic animals. There are fish, duck, tortoise are the aquatic animals which will be live in the water, and they will also breathe with the gills. Now we will see the amphibians. Okay, amphibians. Now we are seeing the territorial animal also which we can live in land, and we are seeing the aquatic animals which live in water. Amphibians are the animals which can live in both. They can live in both. They can live on land also, water also. They are called the amphibians. They begins their life in water when they will be small. When they will be very small, they will be live in water. But after become big adult, when they are babies, they will be in water. After become adult, they will be on the land. When they are babies, they will be in the water. When they become adult, they will be in the land. Most adult amphibians have lungs to breathe. Who are adults? They have lungs because lungs are necessary to breathe on the land. When on the land, inside the water, when they are in the water, they don't have the lungs. Lungs will not helpful to them to breathe. So what they will be used? They will be use the skin. The skin of, you can see in the picture, the skin is very wetty. By skin, they will be take the oxygen from the water to breathe inside the water. They have legs adapted to help them. They also have the legs like this. They have the legs. Help them to walk on the land, which will be help them to walk on the land and also swim in the water, because they can have to live in both now, so they will be help on walk on land. When they will be going to water, it will be help to swim. So what are the examples of that? Amphibians, frogs. You can see frogs are live in water also. Toads. Toads also like frog only it will look. It will also live in water and land, but they will be jump. And salamanders. Salamanders, you can see in the picture, this is called salamanders, which is also live. When they are babies, they will be in water. When they will become elder, they will be in the land. So these are the amphibians which will be live in both land and water as well. Now we will see arboreal animals. Arboreal animals. Arboreal animals, what they do, they will be mostly spend their time on the branches of trees. They will not mostly live on land or water. They will mostly sit on the branches of trees only, like squirrels, birds, monkeys. These are the example: monkey, squirrel, birds, pitching birds. Okay, you can see the pictures of here them. Okay, these are the pictures. This is monkey. Always you will see on the trees only, branches of trees. Squirrel, pitching bird it is called, which will be live mostly on the branches of trees. They have a strong muscle limbs. Muscle limbs means their muscles will be very strong, and sharp claws. Claws means this, like this, having the legs. This is called claws. This is called claws. They have the sharp claws which will be catch the branches of trees, because they cannot fall down from the tree, and help them to climb up on the branches. And this will also help them to climb up on the branches of trees, like monkeys and ants also. Very strong. They can jump, or they can hold the branch of tree by one hand also. Monkeys, you can see many monkeys will do like that. So it will be, their hands muscles will be very sharp. Sharp, not strong, sorry. Now we will see the aerial animals. Now we are seeing the water animals, land animals, both who are living in water and animals. Some animals will live in branches of trees. Now we will see the aerial animals. Aerial animals are the animals that spend most of their times flying in the air only. They will be mostly, we will see them, they will be flying in the air only. They are called the aerial animals. Most birds, like most of the birds what they will be always fly only. Bats are the aerial animals. All types of birds are called aerial animals. Okay, because they always fly. Bats also always fly, they will be also aerial animal. Butterflies also aerial animals, because they will also fly always in the air. So these animals are called aerial animals. Now we will see the some of the tick the correct words. You can see. Okay, now tell me, you only tell me. Aquatic animals or amphibians can live in both. Who will be live in both water and land? Amphibians will live in both now water and land. Frog breathe through. In water, how it will be breathe? Because frog did not have gills like fishes. Fishes have gills to breathe in the water, but frog did not have. Frog what have? Moisturized skin have, which will help the frog to breathe in water. Animals live in a very hot or cold region, which are called hibernate. The animals will be live in a cold region and sleep for a long winter. That all called the hibernation. So where they will be live? They will be live in a cold region. Now, who have fins to swim in water? Crab don't have fins. Fishes have the fins. Who have the fins? Fish have the fins, which will be help to. Fins means like this, I told you, no? This is the fins, which will be help the fishes to swim in water. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.